Hey there, welcome back to my channel. This is Devashish Bhuya. I hope you guys are doing well and staying put at this time of crisis. In my previous video, I discussed about how I got myself vaccinated and took you through the registration process. This video is going to be a continuation of my last video. Yesterday, after a lot of patience, finally I booked a seat for my mother who hasn't been vaccinated yet. So naturally, I was quite worried for her. So today we're going to Horupota to get her vaccinated. Now I know that it's quite far from our town, but at this time of crisis, it is wise not to pick and choose and wait for convenience and just get yourself vaccinated wherever possible. Now, since I took my first jab and also before that, I've been thinking a lot about our country's vaccination drive. Mind that it is one of the largest vaccination drives of the world, being the second largest population of the world. It entails a huge number of complications, but there needs to be some smart solutions, and I'm going to discuss and address some of those issues in this video. Right now, our country is going through a major shortage of oxygen supplies, and on top of that, the rampant infodemic and also the masking of the grim reality. So talking about vaccination at this hour is like stating the obvious, and I'm making these videos not just to raise awareness but also to lay threadbare that this vaccination drive is the need of the hour. But it is not to be ignored that when the whole world was preparing for the upcoming waves, we were led to believe as a nation that the tides were calm. Right now, vaccination should have been a household affair, carried door to door in large numbers. But instead of that, we are confronted by a very complex and convoluted online registration system which requires access to fast internet and also a lot of leisurely time. This situation reminds me of last year's online education system when education was taken online due to the lockdown, but because of that, it was seen that there was a glaring digital divide. And this situation, when public health is taken online as well, is no different, because already there can be seen a digital divide and digital inequality, and this makes the whole process a lot more complicated because not many people have access to internet or have time to wait the whole day to get the seats booked. It is not just feasible for them, and as the economy is shrinking gradually, then this becomes a lot more harder for them. So in this video, I'm going to discuss more of these issues, what needs to be addressed, and why, most importantly, this vaccination drive is the need of the hour and requires special attention by the center and also our state governments. Ready? Ready হৈছো এই ভ্যাকসিনেশনৰ বিষয়ে কি কবি?
এই পৰিস্থিতিত বৰ জৰুৰী হৈ পৰিছে সকলোৱে ভ্যাকচিন লোৱা উচিত, বিশেষকৈ 45 বছৰৰ ঊৰ্ধ্বৰ সকলোৱে লোৱা উচিত। আৰু
তো ৱেবছাইটটো খুলি চাইছিল নে cowin.govin?
চাইছিলোঁ, অলপ জটিল হয়, তথাপিতো সদায় চাই থাকিব লাগে ৱেবছাইটটো, কাৰণ ইমান সোনকালে মানে বুক কৰিবও নোৱাৰি, ৰ'ব লগা হয়, কিন্তু সদায় চাই থাকিব লাগে, ক'ৰবাত পাই যাব। গতিকে সকলোৱে এই ভেকচিনটো অতি সোনকালে লোৱা উচিত।
We decided to go through the Number Forest route. Ma says she hasn't traveled through this route for years. The road of Number Forest is notorious for being bad and risky, but it's a joy finally to see that the new road is completed. It just looks amazing. So we just reached the center. This is Horupota's Primary Health Center. When we arrived here, it was already 10:30 and the vaccination process hasn't been started yet. And as you can see that people are starting to leave the center. इसलिए खुरा
खड़ा हो गया कम पाइनी
3 ঘন্টা
हाँ 5 दिन हो गया हा
5 দিন
हाँ
একেৰাহে 5 দিন আহি
না
আছে
একেবাৰে না 2 দিন একদিন পিছে পিছে আহি আছে
হয়
একদিন ভ্যাকসিন নাই
হয়
একদিন টোকন নিদিলে এই তেনেকুৱা মানে গম পাইনি
এটা আজিও নহ'ব মানে এইটো কিবা এটা কৰিব লাগিছিলে দেখোন কথাটো
এইটো নিয়মে এইটো মানে ৱাৰ্ডে দিলে ভাল আছিল
ৱাৰ্ডে দিয়া ভাল আছিলে তাকে
এইটো আপোনালোকৰ মানে হেৰি কৰিবচোন ওপৰত জনাই দিব
জনাম আপোনাৰ ক'ৰ পৰা আহিছিলে
আমাৰ নলনি গঞ্জু দাঁতৰ ঘৰৰ লগত আমাৰ
হয় হয় দূৰৰ পৰা
এতিয়াতো
আহিছিলে
ইয়াতে আহিছে গঞ্জু দাঁতৰ আমাৰ ঘৰৰ লগতে আছে
হয় হয় হয়
বৰ দিগদাৰী হৈছে মাইকী মানুহ 80 টকা লাগে আপোনালোকক
তাকেইতো এনেকৈ ৰৈ থকাটো এতিয়া মানে
2.5-3 ঘণ্টা হৈ গ'ল
তাকে
8টা বজাত
হয় 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 এজনো মানুহ নাই না
নাই কমচে কম সৰু এটা কাগজ লিখি থৈ দিয়ক না
তাকে
যে আমাৰ এতিয়া আজি এইটো টোকন দিয়া নহ'ব আৰু কালি আহিব আহি পেলাই আপোনালোক মানে টোকন ল'ব আৰু ইনজেকশ্যনটো মাৰিব
ঠিক ঠিক
তেনেকুৱা হ'লে মানুহ হাৰাশাস্তি নহয়
ঠিক
এইটো বৰ হেৰি কৰি আছে ভাল পোৱা নাই আমি
So this is the current situation at the grassroots level. People come here, form long lines, wait long hours, and still they just have to return back dissatisfied. Now, what it does is that it brings a negative connotation to the whole process. Everyone has left. We are about to as well. Then I inquired for the last time and found out that this block is set up for those who have received tokens from the office. There is another block for people who have online registration. This was good news, but at the same time, it highlights the glaring mismanagement. Clearly, as the uncle had said earlier, there needs to be proper instructions for people to follow. আৰোগ্য সেতু এপটো উলিয়াওকচোন আছে নাই নাই নহবা গুগলত যাওকচোন গুগলত যাওক হয় হয় সেইটো হয় কোৱিন কি কৰিলে কোৱিন CEO আপোনাৰ ব্ৰাইটনেছ অলপ বঢ়াই লওক দেখি পোৱা নাই We reached the proper center. Ma went inside for the dose, and as I am standing there, I'm surrounded by people who had waited all day long in the hope to get vaccinated. They are astonished that my mother could go inside in a matter of no time. Apparently, the government has made provisions for people above 45 to get vaccines without online registration. But it's a long and tedious process. Some people here have come to the center and stood in the line on and off for the last few days. আপুনি কৰিব পাৰিছেনে অনলাইন ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন নাই পৰা ন কিয় নাই পৰা অঁ আৰু গোটেই প্ৰচেছটো বহুত জটিল নেকি বাৰু হয় 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 I tell them about the online registration process and they look at me like deers caught in headlights. They are clueless and frustrated, so I asked the staff members and here's what they said. Clearly, there's a lot of confusion out here regarding the process. People are eager to get vaccinated, which is a great sign, but there are several pitfalls along the way. I'm sure these shortcomings are center specific. At this center, clearly there's a lack of communication. Due to lack of proper management, people are dejected by the whole process. Hopefully, these will be sorted out in the coming days. But the larger scenario remains transparent. There is a glaring digital inequality. Digital divide is leaving some of the most vulnerable people unprotected. Our seniors who are supposed to be more vulnerable to the vaccines are finding it increasingly difficult to get signed up unless they get help from their family members and relatives. And sadly, some of them don't and are helpless in the face of the situation.
ভেকচিন ল'লোঁ ভালেই ভিতৰৰ পৰিৱেশ ভালেই ছিষ্টেমেটিকভাৱে হৈ আছে কাম এতিয়ালৈকে নাই হোৱা নাই 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 আধা ঘণ্টা বহি আহিছোঁ ভেকচিন লোৱাৰ পিছত একো হোৱা নাই
I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you liked this video. This is my small effort to raise awareness. Until next time, stay strong. Hopefully, see you soon.